This guide provides information on foreign qualifications and how to get recognition advice in Ireland. It will show you how to use the NARIC Ireland Foreign Qualifications database. Step 1. Search NARIC Ireland's database by selecting the country where your qualification was issued. Step 2. If your qualification is listed in the NARIC Ireland database, it has already been compared to a similar award type and level on the Irish National Framework of Qualifications. Step 3. Download your comparability statement to help employers or education providers understand your qualification in terms of the Irish National Framework of Qualifications. Please note, the statement is generic and not personalized to any one individual. We regularly update our database with qualifications from around the world. If you've searched the database and confirmed your qualification is not included yet, you can get recognition advice by filling out the online form on the homepage.